Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hopes all of you are well and fine and enjoying all of my videos. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you some very attractive and beautiful crochet earrings ideas for ladies. You will see beginner friendly ideas in this video. Simple floral designs are mostly included in this video, and some of the designs of square patches are also used as earrings, which are having just 2 or 3 rounds maximum. All of these designs are also embellished with different kinds of beadwork, and these designs are mostly made with contrasting color schemes. As you can see, 2 or 3 different contrasting color schemes are used in most of these designs, and a few of the designs are just made in one single color as well. But most of the designs are having contrasting colors and are giving an extremely unique and beautiful look. And all of these designs are having different crochet patterns used in them and are in different sizes as well. You can see this beautiful design which is having 3 different contrasting color scheme, and this one is in spiral square shape, this one is having a solid granny square pattern, and this one is having a fun round flower pattern. So all of these designs are unique and different from each other, and I hope you're gonna love them all. So if you love these designs, just give this video a big thumbs up, and if you are new to my channel and you haven't subscribed, then just press the red subscribe button, and after that press the bell icon and then all option as well, so that whenever I upload a new video you can get notifications and won't miss any future update from this channel. So stay connected and let me know in the comments if you are interested in seeing tutorial videos of these kinds of earrings as well, because on this channel, other than these kinds of ideas videos, you will also find crochet tutorial videos. So don't forget to subscribe to get tutorial videos of different crochet products as well. Many of the crochet tutorial videos of different patterns are already available on my channel. You can just check them out as well, and you can let me know in the comments about any specific crochet project which is currently not available on my channel and you want to make it, and you can just let me know if you are interested in these kinds of earrings tutorial videos as well. I will make them for you as well. So stay connected and share this video with other crochet lovers in your circle as well, so that they can also get benefit from these type of videos. If you know crochet work, you can see all of these designs are beginner friendly and can be made with leftover yarn as well. So you can just take a screenshot of the design which you like the most and you want to make, and you can make it by yourself at home for yourself, for your friends, or for your family members as well. So stay connected. Thank you so much for watching this video. Take care. Bye.